Hello everyone, a very warm welcome on KT Coded. Hope you all are doing great. So in this video, I'll discuss a very simple but important method to analyze categorical data, which is known as cross tabulation. What I want to do here is to figure out how one categorical variable gets affected by different categorical variables. So here is an example. In this data set, we have three different columns: hospital, risk category, and outcome. In hospital column, we have ER and CH types. In risk category, we have high and low, and the outcome is die or live. So in such cases, like where we have all the categorical variables and we do not have any kind of numerical values, how can we create a table which sort of tell us what is the outcome based on hospital and risk category? So in such scenarios, a pivot table or cross tabulations works out really well. I'll show you how to do it from scratch. So let's move on to the next sheet, and I'll basically put my cursor anywhere inside this data set and I can do insert table, and you'll see Excel will automatically select this whole data. I don't need to do it manually. As you can see, it has already selected the whole data series. And now I want my pivot table to be on this existing worksheet, so I have chosen existing worksheet. And now I'm choosing the location where do I want to keep my pivot table. So I'll just click on that cell and then it's done. Okay. So as you can see, my pivot table is created. Now I'll just choose what all the fields I want I want in my pivot table. So since I want to know like how many people fall into each group, uh, and like in terms of outcome, so I'll just put the outcome in columns field and values field, and rest of the columns I'll put into the row field, and the order of putting them into the row field doesn't really matter in this case. So as you can see, it has summarized the data, but these numbers aren't telling us much, so I'll just change them into percentage. So you go to the values and then right click on it, and now you can change the value by going into value field settings. You can change it into a percentage. So show values as percentage of row total. So now you can see it's showing me uh, like these values in terms of percentage, like how many percent people died or lived in each kind of category, like whether in high risk or low risk, or whether in CH or ER. And if we want to visualize our data to further better understand it, so I'll just click on the pivot table and again go to insert, then on recommended chart. As you can see, it's already recommending me a clustered column chart, and which as you uh, as you see, it's depicting the data very well. So I'll just make some changes to this chart to like better make it more presentable. So I have just changed this design because I like this design more, and I'll just add access title and title to this chart. While I'm adding them, as you can see, the trends in the data, like in Chicago Hope Hospital, more people in the high risk category died, while as compared to in ER, there were less people who died who were in high risk category. And likewise, you can see more people lived in ER as compared to Chicago Hope Hospital. Uh, but we can't make any conclusion just based on these two variables. Because like there might be some other variables which might be affecting it. And I just don't like all these field buttons on the chart, so I'll just get rid of them. So as you can see, we have very well summarized this categorical data with the help of cross tabulation, and now we can get some insights from this data. which can help us for a better understanding of this data. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe, and feel free to post your questions in the comment section. I'll try my best to address them. I'll leave you with this famous quote by Pablo Picasso. Bye for now and stay safe.